The object was discovered by a team using the NEOWISE Space Telescope on March 27, 2020. It was classified as a comet on March 31 and named after NEOWISE on April 1. It has the systematic designation C 2020 F3, indicating a non-periodic comet which was the third discovered in the second half of March 2020. Comet NEOWISE made its closest approach to the Sun perihelion on July 3, 2020, at a distance of 0.29 astronomical units, 43 million kilometers, 27 million miles. This passage increases the comet's orbital period from about 4,500 years to about 6,800 years. Its closest approach to Earth will occur on July 23, 2020, 1:14 UT, at a distance of 0.69 astronomical units, 103 million kilometers, 64 million miles, while located in the constellation of Ursa Major. Seen from Earth, the comet was less than 20 degrees from the Sun between June 11 and July 9, 2020. By June 10, 2020, as the comet was being lost to the glare of the Sun, it was apparent magnitude 7, when it was 0.7 astronomical units, 100 million kilometers, 65 million miles away from Sun and 1.6 astronomical units, 240 million kilometers, 150 million miles away from Earth. When the comet entered the field of view of the SOHO spacecraft's LASCO C3 instrument on June 22, 2020, the comet had brightened to about magnitude 3, when it was 0.4 astronomical units, 60 million kilometers, 37 million miles away from Sun and 1.4 astronomical units, 210 million kilometers, 130 million miles away from Earth. By early July, Comet NEOWISE had brightened to magnitude 1, far exceeding the brightness attained by previous comets, C 2020 F8 Swan and C 2019 Y4 Atlas. By July, it also had developed a second tail. The first tail is blue and made of gas and ions. There is also a red separation in the tail caused by high amounts of sodium. The second twin tail is a golden color and is made of dust, like the tail of Comet Hale Bopp. This combination resembles Comet C 2011 L4 Pan-STARRS. The comet is brighter than C 2011 L4 Pan-STARRS, but not as bright as Hale Bopp was in 1997. According to the British Astronomical Association, the comet brightened from a magnitude of about 8 at the beginning of June to -2 in early July. This would make it brighter than Hale Bopp. However, as it was very near to the Sun, it was reported as 0 or +1 magnitude and remained that bright for only a few days. After perihelion, the comet began to fade at about the same rate as it had previously brightened, dropping to magnitude 2. On July 13, 2020, a sodium tail was confirmed by the Planetary Science Institute's Input-Output facility. Sodium tails have only been observed in very bright comets like Hale Bopp and Sungrazer C 2012 S1 ISON. After its perihelion passage, due to minor CME and solar plasma waves, Comet NEOWISE's dust tails developed synchronized bands. The last time this was seen was in Comet C 2006 P1 McNaught. From the infrared signature, Joseph Masiero estimates the diameter of the comet nucleus to be approximately 5 km (3 miles). The nucleus is similar in size to Comet Hyakutake and many short-period comets such as 2P Encke, 7P Pons-Winnicke, 8P Tuttle, 14P Wolf, and 19P Burley. By July 5, NASA's Parker Solar Probe had captured an image of the comet, from which astronomers also estimated the diameter of the comet nucleus at approximately 5 km.